In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your WiseTag. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find it, what each sharing option means, and how to confidently use it to receive payments. First, sign in to your Wise account using the official website or app. Make sure you're on a secure connection and, if prompted, complete any two-factor verification to protect your account. Once you're in, you'll land on your main dashboard where you can see your balances and recent activity. Next, look to the left-hand side of the screen for the navigation pane. Click on Payments. If your sidebar is collapsed, you may need to expand it to see the full menu. Payments is the section where Wise groups together all the ways you can move money or request it, and it's where your WiseTag lives. Inside the Payments area, find the section labeled Payment Tools. This is a dedicated spot for the features that help you get paid. Here, you'll see your WiseTag. Think of your WiseTag as your personal payment handle. It's designed to make it easy for people to send money to you without needing extra details. Click on your WiseTag to open its details. On this screen, you'll see three key items: a QR code, a WiseTag URL, and the WiseTag itself. The QR code is perfect for in-person situations. Someone can scan it with their phone's camera to be taken directly to your payment page. The WiseTag URL is a link you can paste into a message, email, or invoice. And the WiseTag itself is your short handle that identifies you within the Wise ecosystem. From here, you can copy any of these with a single click. Choose the format that fits your situation. For a quick message to a client or friend, the URL works best. For printed materials, signage, or events, download or save the QR code. If you're communicating with someone who already uses Wise, your WiseTag handle may be all they need to find you. When you share it, consider adding a brief note that clarifies the purpose of the payment and, if helpful, the amount and currency you're expecting. Keep your sensitive account information private. Your WiseTag is meant to be shared, but passwords, codes, or personal security details should never be. And there you go. That's all you need to access your WiseTag, view your QR code and link, and share them to request payments quickly and securely. If you plan to use it often, bookmark the page or save the QR and link somewhere easy to reach, so requesting payment is always just a moment away.